The Gilmore Car Museum may be famous as North America's largest car museum, but did you know it also has an incredible motorcycle gallery? Inside, you'll find rare bikes from the past, including the legendary 1947 Indian Chief. While we have a full video exploring the entire museum, this time we're focusing on the two-wheeled treasures. Join us as we dive into the fascinating world of vintage motorcycles.
We are at the Gilmore Museum, about to enter the motorcycle exhibit. To me, this is the most exciting part. Motorcycles. You can't go wrong with motorcycles, can you? Oh, ooh.
Oh boy.
My dream is to open a motorcycle museum. My very first motorcycle was a 1965 Honda 90.
Yours was?
And I paid $100 for it. That was a lot of money back then, but it was this exact black.
Don't touch, sir.
Factory price, $269. 1961 Dinky. Oh, look at the detail in this seat.
This bike was in a shed until 1954 when it was disassembled and stored in the attic. Eventually it was passed down to a grandson who made it his mission to get the bike running. Did not know Sears and Roebuck sold a motorcycle.
Factory price $344.
Harley Davidson actually bought a Italian motorcycle company, the NSU. I apologize for screwing that up, but this is where all the Harley Davidson, these small scooters and these small bikes came.
This is just one of 18 hill climbers produced for racing purposes in 1938 and 39. It ran on pure alcohol. We had learned this at the Harley Museum to see how the handlebars are different on these racing bikes. Kind of Harley Davidson corner over here.
This would have been fun. Top speed 130 miles per hour. Actually had a 0 to 60 time, a sub 5 second 0 to 60 time. That'll snap your neck.
Some BMW bikes.
This looks like a car from Chips. What was your take-home bike?
I think my take home would be this 47 Indian.
Here's your take-home bike right here, honey. It's named after you.
That was my nickname in college, Whizzer.
Yeah.
That's going to do it for us. If you'd like to see more motorcycles, check out this video at Harley Davidson.